Oh!
Are you ready? Wake up! So wake up, buddy!
Dude, so tired.
It's not that early.
So tired.
Come on! This is what I gotta deal with. Now you're making us get gas, and we're gonna be late.
No, we're good.
Definitely good.
$2? We asked for 20.
Oh, Jesus. We're gonna get in there really early and beat people there and then hang out for a little bit. So we'll see how it goes. Hey, let's kill something, huh?
Try to.
Yeah, we certainly will. Yeah, back at the same spot. Talked to a few guys. Work some birds. We ended up not hearing them. I think they just hit the ground and shut up. One of them actually got one, so. But nobody's here now, so we got about what, an hour 40 left.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. Morning, everybody. Another day, another, hopefully, attempt at a turkey hunt. A good attempt. Going back to that piece of public, I roosted a bird last night. Going in pretty early. Pretty sure nobody's hunted it yet, or at all, yet so far this year. So, I'm gonna go after that bird I roosted, but there will probably be a bunch of other birds up there. 100% sure, but I have a good feeling. What I'm gonna do is get on that bench, even with where I park, and slowly work my way towards that bird where I heard him, where I think he is. Probably gonna get on the same bench as him. My goal is we'll get around 100 yards from him. We'll see how much I can push. But it's about 4:30 right now. Gonna call a deli and hope that they're open this early. They said they're supposed to be open at 4:30, but who knows. And then we'll head on down there. So I'll catch up with you guys soon. Alright, so obviously my original plan didn't work out. That same pickup I saw from last night is parked even with the bird. I don't know how they went up, but if they went up even with him, we're lucky they spooked him. But I'm not worried. I'm assuming there's other birds in the area. So what I'm gonna do is stay above the car and get to the highest point of this ridge and look down Onyx, and I'm about, if I stay even with where I am, about 370 yards from where that bird's roosted. So it gives those guys plenty of room to work with. And going up this ridge gets me capable of hearing what's down on the other side and what's across the road here. So, but it's about 5 or 7, they're gonna gobble up 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get up to this high point and listen. So let me get up there. little bumpy road. Just a little bit. It's a pretty good size one. There's fresh scratches. The car's right here. Maybe I'll just go. Scratch this whole hillside. Mark this on onyx and maybe come here. First thing is 23. I already found the tree. Yep. Tree right there. That tree.